Welcome to this comprehensive review of Concrete5, a website builder that's been around for quite a while, but has maintained relevance in today's crowded CMS landscape. In this video, I'll take you through the interface, ease of use, and features that Concrete5 offers. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or a beginner, Concrete5 provides a flexible and user-friendly platform for building and managing websites. Upon first logging into Concrete5, you're greeted by an intuitive dashboard. Unlike other builders, the interface is not cluttered with unnecessary options, making navigation pretty straightforward. You can quickly access site settings, pages, themes, and add-ons. For those who prefer simplicity, Concrete5 allows you to manage your site without needing much coding knowledge, though it also has advanced features for more experienced users. The drag-and-drop functionality is one of Concrete5's standout features, allowing you to customize the layout of your pages with ease. Adding content blocks, adjusting styles, and rearranging elements is incredibly simple, and the live preview feature ensures you can see changes in real time. One of the things I really like about Concrete5 is its strong focus on content management. The page editing interface is streamlined, allowing you to focus on creating content without being distracted by complex settings. The in-context editing feature means you can literally edit your page while viewing it live, eliminating the need to navigate through separate admin panels. When it comes to design, Concrete5 offers a variety of themes, though they might not be as plentiful as some other website builders. Still, it's easy to find something that works for your site and customize it further. The theme options are responsive, meaning they'll adjust properly for mobile and tablet viewing, which is a must in today's mobile-first world. Now, if you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do check them out after watching this video. In terms of functionality, Concrete5 shines with its add-on marketplace. Whether you're looking for SEO tools, e-commerce features, or additional integrations, there are numerous add-ons that can extend the capabilities of your website. Keep in mind, however, that some of these add-ons may come with additional costs. Concrete5 also excels when it comes to SEO. Built-in SEO tools allow you to edit page metadata, control URL structure, and optimize images for search engines. However, you'll need to be proactive in keeping your site optimized, as there isn't an auto-optimization feature built into the platform. Security is another strong point for Concrete5. Regular updates and a focus on securing user data give you peace of mind. The CMS is designed with robust security features out of the box, and you can install additional security add-ons for added protection. Overall, Concrete5 is a solid choice for anyone looking to build a website with a focus on content management, ease of use, and flexibility. It's suitable for everything from small personal blogs to complex business websites. If you're interested in trying Concrete5, I recommend starting with their free trial, so you can get a feel for the platform before committing to a paid plan. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.